Hello students, today we will learn how to draw square root of 2 and square root of 3 on a number line. So first we take a scale and draw a line. Mark starting point as 0. Take your compass, set it to the radius for approximately 4 centimeters 4 centimeters and keep the center point at 0 and mark an arc on the line like this. Then continue, keep, this is our 1 unit, so you can label as 1. Okay, with the same radius mark point 2. Okay, this is 2, and again same way mark 3 and so on. So this is point 3. Take a protractor, keep at point 1 at 90 degrees so that it is perfectly perpendicular to line the number line that which we have drawn, and draw perpendicular lines like this. You can draw both. Then take your protractor once again without changing the radius, okay, and mark, keep at point 1 the center and mark the radius so that we can get a perfect parallel line. Now we can draw a parallel line through point P, here point P and point Q. Take your scale and draw a parallel line passing through point P and Q. Now that we have point P and Q, as you know, 0 to 1 is 1 unit. So this is 1 unit. This is also 1 unit. And according to Pythagoras theorem, this is a right angle triangle. 1 square plus 1 square will become 2. So the diagonal will be square root of 2. Now that we know, according to Pythagoras theorem, 1 square plus 1 square, that is 1 plus 1, that is 2, and we find the square root, so that is square root of 2. So whatever the diagonal is, that is the hypotenuse, is square root of 2. So this is square root of 2. Now to get this on the number line, we draw an arc from this point PQ to the number line. Now set your compasses to radius in such a way that OP, distance OP or 0P is should be the radius, and we'll draw an arc from here. So we know OP is square root of 2. So we draw this on the number line here, and here we got square root of 2 on the number line. Now we got square root of 2 on the number line. Now we draw a perpendicular at square root of 2 at this point over here. Now we take your protractor and mark exactly 90 degrees at square root of 2, and we draw a perfect perpendicular. So this is perpendicular. Now we know this whole distance is square root of 2. According to Pythagoras theorem, square root of 2 square plus 1 square will be 3. So the diagonal will be square root of 3. So here we got square root of 3 on the number line. Now to get it on the number line, we take compass and set our radius to OR. Now we have set a pair of compasses, the radius as OR, and we draw an arc. So we draw OR on the number line over here, and we get square root of 3 over here. So students, we have got this distance OX as square root of 3. Not sorry, OY as square root of 3 on the number line. OX is square root of 2. Hope you have understood the constructions. Thank you patiently for watching. Watch the video again and again and practice properly. Thank you.